Hey guys, I'm Silverwolf and this is another socks request, and it is socks with a Furby Connect because a few of you asked. So this is this video. Let's see if the Furby Connect is terrified of socks like the other Furbies were.
I am Socks, your personal companion robot. Please touch all my sensors to make sure they are working. There's one on top of my head. What's that?
Hi, Unai Miska.
Meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow.
I'm still, as you can see, quite careful with socks and what he's doing with his head. So if he appears to lock up, I just give him a stroke to get him moving again.
Let's watch. Go to app, Tito.
No, there isn't a new video alert.
What you talking about, Tito?
Yeah, exactly, that is what I'm talking about. The movie theatre no longer works in the app. And in fact, people have been having trouble connecting their Furbies to the app with the Bluetooth as well. So I think the app is slowly becoming defunct, which is kind of sad. Ah, he loves cats, and there's a cat. And it makes Socks happy. Well, these two seem to get on better.
Tito, yes, very yes.
New best friend.
Dabu, no way! No. Wait, yes, wait. No? Aw, I need all the hugs. Wah do 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 do, ba ba do do. I wanna dance. Put on tunes, Tito.
There's a time and a place for dancing.
News ever.
That is not now.
Sensors indicate full range of motion.
Oh, no, he's gone and scared the Furby again. Socks stepped on Loo Bay's foot.
Meow. Meow, meow.
Can you hear the lovely sound of Socks' mechanics screaming?
Go.
Don't walk off the table though. Come on, Socks, sort yourself out.
Rub car belly for good luck.
Oh, that sounded wet.
Oh my god.
Come on, Socks.
What?
He's really having trouble, isn't he?
Assessment complete.
Little fight.
I'm pretty sure that most of these Socks units are actually faulty. Once again, he seems to not be working properly. Ah, he's just wandered off. Come on.
Seriously? No. Seriously?
Meow.
Ah, so true.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
I wonder.
Okay, Socks is not behaving properly.
I am Socks, your personal companion robot.
Speak up, Johnny.
Please touch all my sensors to make sure they are working. There's one on top of my head, 2 on my cheeks, and 2 on my back. Go!
Yes, it seems that once again, Socks' head is not working.
So cute.
This was not the intention of this video, but he's just not working.
Scanning. Scanning.
You're not scanning though, are you? Because you can't turn your head.
Scanning.
Check out how moves.
Scanning.
Meanwhile, Loo Bay is
Assessment
showing off his moves that Socks can't do.
Whoa!
Yeah, I'm starting to think that these Socks robots are not really as good as I first thought. This is the second one that seems to have malfunctioned.
No. Wait, yes, wait.
You can just hear the mechanic screaming in his head, and it's not moving, you know? And his sensors aren't working.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
It's working now.
Oh, Car's so hungry.
Meow.
Eat. School bus.
And the really sad thing is I actually liked my Socks robot. But I'm afraid I did say that if another one was faulty, I'd send him back and I'm not going to get another replacement. So he might have to go back and I might have to get my money back because he just doesn't work. Which is sad. I'll see if I can get him working with like fiddle about with his batteries or whatever. You'd think they'd have a restart, like a reset thing on him, wouldn't you? To sort of get his joints working again. But it seems to be just another thing with his head.
Meow, meow.
And I'm going to have to look into this and see how many other people have had malfunctioning units, because he's clearly not working, as you can see.
Good work, Cadet.
So, sorry about that. Sorry the video was a little bit disappointing. It wasn't really my intention to have Socks not work again. But there you go. This is the second time it's happened and the second Socks has gone wrong. So I think sadly poor Socks might have to go back. And maybe I'll just get like a little figurine of him instead of an actual robot.
No. Wait,
Yeah.
yes, wait. No.
Anyway, that's all for this video. I'll try and get Socks sorted out. You can see some similar videos in my in the boxes coming up below. If you want to check out Betsy New Monday shops, feel free. I take commissions and do art and plushies. Or you can buy me a coffee on Ko-fi if you enjoy what I do and would like to send me a tip.
How that make Unai feel?
And so stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver signing off.
Yep.